Hi, I'm Vicki Clark, Sales Manager of West 10 Media. Welcome to our new feature, Know Your Biz. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Get a little.
And then the mixing room is next. On the front. Hello, my name is Memphis and I'm from DeSoto Collision Center here in Millington, Tennessee. We have 6 locations and we're in the body shop business to repair your vehicles. We're at the corner of 51 and Babe Howard, and we have bring your car in where you've had an accident and we can take care of it from any of your insurance companies, or even if it's a customer pay, we can handle it from the very beginning to the end. And we're, like I said, we're at our address is 7705 Highway 51 in Babe Howard, right by USA Ball Stadium and Homer Skeleton Dodge. Thank you.